How to fix screen not responding to touches in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, remove your screen protector and update a new one protector. After update a new one protector, then open your settings, and in settings scroll down and click on display. Now scroll down and here you can see the option touch sensitivity. Now if you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turn on your touch sensitivity, then go back and scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.